our commercial meat grinder. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, of a length of 16.5 inches, a depth of 24.5 inches, and the overall height of 25.5 inches tall. Interior dimensions for the top of the tray, we have 12 inches in length, 19.5 inches in depth, and a height of 3 inches. Right beneath the tray, on the right and left side, are clips that can be released and tightened. Also included will be the push tool, along with the extra blade for this meat grinder. Coming to the top will be the area to insert your meats. Measurements for the face, we have 2.5 inches in radius. Coming to the left side will be the on and off power switch. Coming to the back will be the 110-120 voltage plug. And located behind is the NSF ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.